Ramzan vocabulary. Ramadan, name of ninth Islamic month that Muslims fast for 29 or 30 days. Siyam, fasting from all forms of nutrition between break of dawn, Fajr, and sunset, Maghrib. Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal shortly before the commencement of the break of dawn, Fajr. Iftar, time of the breaking the fast or the name of the meal itself that one will break their fast on. Fidya, the compensation due to not fasting. Rayyan, the gate in paradise exclusive to those who fasted. Travi, optional and very rewarding night prayer prayed after the fifth prayer Isha. They were generally prayed at the mosque but may be also prayed at home. Eid al-Fitr, festival marking the end of Ramadan. Fitrana, the money that is given to poor on Eid al-Fitr for the help of poor in these enjoyable moments.